Hello, good morning. Today's vlog is coming to you from the Lake District. I've just made it to Walnut Scar car park in Coniston. These are my views. Excuse my mucky windscreen. But this has got to be one of the most scenic car parks in the Lake District. Do you not think? It is just the most beautiful day. I was going to be heading home today. I've just spent 3 weeks. No, I haven't. I wish I had. I just spent 3 days up here and I really need to get home and do some adulting and do some real life stuff. But the weather is so nice. It just felt criminal to go home without fitting one last adventure day in. So yesterday I spent the day in Buttermere around Crummock Water and I hiked to a secret hidden infinity pool and then I hiked Runnerdale Knots. So go check out that video if you want to see what I got up to yesterday. And today I decided I'm going to hike the Old Man of Coniston. Oh, that's an alarm to buy some concert tickets. Yeah, today I'm going to hike the Old Man of Coniston and then I'm going to head over to another little secret waterfall swim spot near the Coniston Mines. That's my day today, but I'm really excited to hike the Old Man of Coniston because this is actually the first mountain I ever stepped foot on New Year's Day 2016. I hated every minute. I have a really funny picture which I'll try and find and put in the video. I've got this giant fluffy thing on my head, bright pink fluorescent pink coat on, and I'd bought my hiking boots the day before for about £20 in Regatta in Keswick. I was not outdoorsy. I was not, wasn't active in high school. I didn't like sports. I just drank in my 20s. I honestly just had a decade of drinking and partying and I had the best time, but I was not active. I got dragged up this mountain on New Year's Day and I hated every minute. I threw a hissy fit, I threw tantrums, I was cold, and I made it up to the lake and then I refused to go a step further. So I didn't even make it to the summit. And if you'd have told that girl that I would, 2016, that 9 years later, or even like 5 years later, I would be a full-time hiker and making a living out of being a hiker and an adventurer, and that I would climb mountains for fun all the time, and then I'd get up at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. some days, or I'd hike 50 miles through Madeira in a week, or I'd just do all these crazy things. She never would have believed you. So I love doing this mountain because it just brings back some memories and it makes me think how far I've come. So yeah, I'll take you along. I'll show you my day in Coniston up on the Old Man. Let's go. It's just beautiful. Can you hear all the birds? Such a nice day. Just taking a little break and I thought I'd do a little outfit show and tell because I usually get a lot of questions about what I'm wearing. So today I have my boots are Dana Mountain 600 boots. They're just my favourite all-time boots that I wear all the time. The backpack is the Osprey Anti-Gravity. Shorts are from Lululemon. This long sleeve crop top is from ASOS. Cap is Patagonia, and I have a 2.5 litre water bladder which is also from Osprey. And then in my bag I have a fleece from Berghaus, I have a lightweight windbreaker jacket from Dare to Be in case it's a bit windy at the top, I have my swimsuit and a microfiber towel, first aid kit, my snacks and my drone, and that's everything. If you're into this stuff, you could literally explore for hours up here. There's all these like derelict buildings, machinery, there's still train tracks on the floor. This is so cool. Quick little ad break. I wanted to talk about how I've been fueling my adventures lately, and it's thanks to Fuel 10K who have come out with these high protein snack pots. We've got noodle pots, we've got porridge pots. If you've seen any of my YouTube videos before, you'll know I practically live off these. On my wild camps, all I live off is noodle pots, and then while I swim in the morning, I'll have porridge and coffee. But these are high protein ones, which have 13 grams of protein in the porridge, 20 grams of protein in the noodles. And one thing I've genuinely struggled with over the years with my adventures is keeping my nutrition in check and having high protein diet try it while I'm on the road. And this just makes it super easy and convenient. They are literally so lightweight, they're not going to take up any space in your bag or add any extra weight. You can even leave a stash in your car, which is what I do. And there's some pretty great flavors. We've got katsu curry, sweet chili and roast chicken with the noodles. Then with the porridge, I've got super berry, chocolate and golden syrup. And if I can, I'll add some fruit to them, but if not, they're just perfect as they are. So I thought I'd share these in case you're looking for some inspiration for some hiking snacks. These are just so handy. They're high protein, they're convenient, they're tasty. Fuel 10K. Let me know what you think. There's the summit. Woohoo! It's the best feeling every time. Made it. Yay! Heading back down. Gonna go find a secret waterfall for a dip. So I've hiked away from Coniston Old Man to go find a waterfall that I found before, which is hidden on this little path. So I'm now just heading down the waterfall to try and find it. Just had the best swim. My hair is already starting to dry. That's how warm it is today. But that was so good. I loved it. I think I've probably got like an hour, maybe just over, back to the car now. And then that's my hiking day done. What an epic day. Made it. I'm so tired, but that was 5 hours exactly. Oh my God, an ice cream man's pulled up. Think he's selling ice? Play it cool, play it cool. I might get an ice cream, how exciting. But anyway, that was 5 hours of hiking. I'm going to share the route in the video description. There is a route on OS Maps to do just Coniston and the mines, but I will add an extra part to head over and see the two waterfalls if you want to add that in. Just be very careful. The second waterfall is very dangerous to get to. It's like a bit of a scramble down like a steep, rocky waterfall, so if you're not too stable on your feet, I wouldn't do that second waterfall, but you can definitely walk to the first waterfall. That's a nice flat easy path. It's been an awesome day as always in the Lake District, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, I would love it, and I'm gonna go see if I can buy an ice cream.